So I'm resurrecting my YouTube channel, or attempting to anyway, and I figured I should make a quick video of this thing because this is like what most of my older YouTube videos are, this truck. It's getting redone for like the third time because New England, and we drive through like 3 inches of salt every snowstorm. So kind of calling it like its ninth life. It's going to be like lifted flatbed build. Cleaned up the frame, painted that. I put a 6-inch lift on it. 37s, just picked those up the other night. Me and my buddy went out to Western Mass, grabbed those. Pretty sweet. Missing one hubcap. I gotta get that. There's the flat bald 35s. Pretty whipped. Might clean up those wheels and sell them or keep them and put a different set of tires on it. But so I did the 6-inch lift. Needs a couple U-joints, which I'm going to get to. I had to redo quite a few of the brake lines because everything you touch just fails, comes apart. So I did stainless lines. That's pretty much it. I just got to do the rust repair. I've done the passenger side, rockers, inner and outer. Got to do the doors. Bottom of the doors, cab corners. Obviously, you gotta do a little bit of Bondo work. My sheet metal work is not like the flattest. I do not consider myself a professional bodywork guy. I can paint things and make them look good, but you know, not my forte. But we'll get it done somehow. That should be it. Finish the rust repair and then throw some paint at it, letter it up. It's getting a CM flatbed skirted. I've already got that. I bought that a few months ago, and I got a decent deal on it until I got pulled over by DOT on my way home. I'm not sure why they wanted to pick on me, but whatever. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll take some video. Maybe I'll do videos of the rust repair over here. Probably should have done a video on the other side, but I didn't really know what I was doing. So it's probably a good thing I didn't do a video because it would have been like a hour-and-a-half video of me bumbling around, bumbling and fumbling. Yeah, this is what the other side looked like. Actually, the other side might have been slightly worse. Well, this cab corner's pretty bad, but I did stainless fuel tank straps. I forgot about that. Those were rotted. It was kind of just floating on there. So I found stainless straps from Ford. They weren't cheap, but I should never have to worry about that again. And that's probably it. It's a truck. It doesn't have to be a show truck. So, yeah.